Technology, the machine,
the computerized wet dream, soaking, sucking, our creativity, our sensitivity, our capability to grasp the concept of humanity, seized up by push-button society, pen and paper, rare commodity, flesh and touch drown in obscurity, lost at cyber sea. Can you fuck me with your